Hi everyone, welcome to A12 channel, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy A12. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in A12, first of all you just need to tap on screen or hold for 2 seconds and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.